We have already completed 100 dresses part 1. We have done the explanation through the geo and we have seen how to write answers if particular part is mentioned in the question. We have seen Wanda won the competition. It was a drawing competition and we have seen that Wanda has drawn 100 dresses and that she lied for she was suffering from inferiority complex, she was being bullied. We have seen all those things in 100 dresses part 1. Now 100 dresses part 2. The new characters that are involved in this story is Jan Petronsky, who is Wanda's father, and Jack. First character is Jan Petronsky. He is Wanda's father. And the second character is Jack. Nowhere it is mentioned that who is Jack, but as the plot will develop through certain lines, we will see that Jack was Wanda's brother. And those characters who were in the first part also, they still exist in this second portion. So now I will tell you how the plot develops, how the story develops in part 2, and I will deal with the focus points, that is those points in which our attention should be more. Firstly, you should read the text and then only you will be able to answer the extract based questions that will come. You know that lines come from the text directly and answers are expected in that way only. That is, you have to read the text to answer all those questions and they carry a lot of marks. So text reading is the most necessary thing. And second is, now I will tell you how the story develops. Firstly, the teacher, Miss Mashon. We have seen this character, Miss Mashon, in the first part also. She announced the winner of the drawing competition in 100 Dresses Part 1, where Wanda won the competition. Now it's the second part and and Miss Mashon is again seen. So, the teacher, Miss Mashon, makes the classroom fully attentive before reading the letter written by Wanda's father, informing them about the absence of Wanda and Jack from the school. So what we have seen in part 1, we have seen absence of Wanda. We have seen it was Monday, Wanda was absent and nobody noticed. And Peggy and Maddie finally on Wednesday noticed Wanda's absence. So Wanda's absence is a certain thing that we came across in part 1, and from the beginning only we were aware that Wanda was absent in school. In fact, in the day when the winner was announced, Wanda was absent, and that day also. We have already seen this. So here in the story, as the story begins, Miss Mashon, what does she do? She makes the classroom fully attentive. As a teacher calls every student for their attention, and the teacher tells that now keep quiet, pay attention to me. So the story begins with such a scenario, with such a imagery. When what the teacher is doing? The teacher is drawing the attraction of the whole class. She is telling the whole class to keep quiet. Before what? Before reading the letter. So what is mentioned here? Attention of the full classroom, and next day she was going to read a letter. Before reading the letter, who wrote the letter? Whose letter it was? For whom? What is the issue of this letter? The letter was written by Wanda's father. So who wrote the letter? Wanda's father. We have already seen here the new character. Who was a new character? Jan Petronsky, Wanda's father. So Wanda's father wrote a letter. Letter to whom? Letter to the school. Which who read? Miss Mashon read. Where she read? In the classroom. After drawing the full attention of the class, Miss Mashon read a letter in the classroom, and the letter was written by Wanda's father, informing them about what? Informing them about absence of Wanda and Jack from their school. So we have already seen Wanda was absent. Now Wanda's father had wrote a letter to the school, as we also sometimes give letter when we are absent and all those things happens. So similarly, a letter came from Wanda's father which Miss Mashon read to the class, and the letter was dealing with what? Dealing with the absence of Wanda and Jack from their school. Next, the Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city so that their children don't suffer from the funny pranks played by their classroom. We have seen in part 1 that funny pranks were played in the played by the classmates. Who was being mocked at? Who was being abused? Wanda was being abused. By whom? By Peggy. How? Because she used to continuously ask Wanda how many dresses you have. So we have already seen this abuse thing that was going on in the classroom. So now in the letter it is mentioned that the Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city. Where they want to settle? In a big city. Who? The Petronsky family. Why? Because they are so that their children don't suffer from what? From the pranks. So we have already seen that pranks were being played. Wanda used to wear a faded blue dress, and everyone used to mock at Wanda, torture Wanda mentally. So we have seen these things, and so now we come to know that why was Wanda absent? Wanda's father wrote a letter to describe the reason. And what is mentioned here in the letter? It is mentioned that the Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city. So she was absent because they were leaving the town. Why was Wanda absent? Because the Petronsky family were leaving the town where they used to live. Where they used to live in part 1, I told you, Boggins Heights. They used to live in Boggins Heights. So they were leaving this place and they were going to settle in a big city. So the reason of absence of Wanda was that the Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city. And what was the cause? The cause was that Wanda was mentally tortured. Wanda was mentally abused in the classroom. So now here's a picture, a portion of the letter. Wanda's father in the letter writes, what he writes? He writes, now we move away to big city. No more Holler-Pulak. No more ask why funny name. Holler-Pulak is a term used to refer to a Pole or a person of Polish descent. So this is not a good thing that when someone else comes from other religion or from other place or from other country or from foreign, sometimes what people do, people sometimes mock them. We have also seen people taking more money from them. We have seen people harassing them. Why? Just because they have certain separate names or they look different or somewhat they are a bit different from us as they don't belong to our city. So in order to maintain that discrimination that person is from another city and we are from another city, this type of a mentality sometimes stays in certain people's mind, and as a reaction what they do, they treat those person differently from the person of their locality. We behave in a other way with the person of our locality and we behave in the other way to the foreign person, and sometimes we treat the foreign person badly. This is what the author is trying to say here. So Wanda's father, what he wrote in the letter? He wrote that they were moving away where? To a big city. No more Holler-Pulak. That is, no more using such terms to define that you belong from a separate country, you belong from a separate state. So Holer Polak is a term which is used to describe Polish people of Polish descent. So this type of terms were being thrown at, taunted, mocked at, okay, by using this type of terms. So they were moving away to a big city. So these are the two key points. And then Wanda's father writes, so no more Holak Polak, no more ask why funny name. I have told you that Wanda Petronsky's name was a bit strange, appeared to be strange to the classmates. So what do the classmates used to do? They used to ask why she has certain type of name, why she has such a title. So this is what the problem that Wanda was facing regularly due to her because she was a Polish, she was not an American, and she was going to American school, and as because she was having a different name, as because she was financially poor and she used to wear a faded blue dress which was clean but not ironed properly. I have mentioned all these points in the previous lecture. So that's why Wanda was being abused regularly, and in order to make their children's future good, what did Wanda's parents decide? They decided that no, we will shift from this city, we will go to a big city, we will not stay here. Why? Because there the children were being mocked at, the children were being abused. What was the main thing that was used to abuse them? That was their name, it was their descendant. It was said that no more Holer Polak, and it was said that no more asking about funny names. So these are the things that happened with Wanda in classroom. Wanda was absent. Why? Because the whole family was moving to a new city. Now, why they moved to a big city? Now the thing is that if this whole thing was existing in whole of America, so what is the reason that they are leaving this town? If they go to certain other place also, then there also people will criticize because they are moving the city. No? They are not moving from America back to Poland, that everyone will be of their background only. So that was not the thing. What was happening? They were moving in America only. They were not moving. They were not leaving America and going to Poland. They were in America. So what is the necessity that you are leaving one town and going to another town? What is the reason behind it? Because if we go to another town, maybe there also people will criticize us. So here Wanda's father gives a cause that plenty of funny names in the big city. Okay. So the reason behind that they were shifting to a big city was that there were plenty of funny names in the big city. Means that there were plenty of Polish people in the big city. Why? Because when one certain person goes to another country, they don't go and stay in any village or any town. They target the big cities where they can get a good job and they can get a good salary and they can get a good livelihood. So they generally go to a big city to live. That's why many Polish people were there in big cities. So many funny names, because every Polish person have certain names like Petronsky and all that. So it was not a big issue in the big city. Why? Because every person from other country generally targeted the big cities as their main source of income, as because job was more in big city compared to villages. We all know that in big cities, factory, industry or maybe companies, these are more available. While in villages or in town, the availability of job is rather low. So what do people do? From villages, they shift to big city. Similarly, people from other country also target the big cities when they go to another country. So there were plenty of funny names. There were plenty of Polish immigrants, Polish people who came from other country to settle in a big city. That's why they were leaving this place where they were living, and they were going to a place in a big city where there were plenty of Polish people, and for them the adjustment will be easier over there. Why? Because people already know, people have already seen this type of Polish people, so they will not be astonished to see another more. So they would not be criticized for their name, for their original country, or for any of their originality that differs from the American, as because in big cities there were many Polish people. The whole class, along with the teacher, got shocked with the content of the letter. So this was the letter that arrived to school. Wanda was absent. We have seen in the previous lecture that Wanda was absent from Monday, and Peggy and Maddie found out on Wednesday about the fact that Wanda was absent. Then we have seen Wanda was being harassed by Peggy. We have seen Wanda won the competition of drawing by painting 100 dresses. Now next, about Wanda's absence, we get to know that Wanda's father wrote a letter to the school. Who wrote the letter? Wanda's father. And who read it? Miss Mansion. What did he wrote? He wrote a letter informing what? Informing about Wanda's absence and also Jack's absence from their school. So the story began in part 1 with Wanda's absence, and now in part 2 we come to know about the reason of Wanda's absence. What was the reason of Wanda's absence? The reason was the Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city. Why? To avoid the fact that their children were being abused for being Polish. So this discrimination was there. The American used to look down upon. They do not used to treat the Polish people in a good manner. So to avoid the children being abused, to avoid the children's growth in such a condition, the Petronsky family decided to move to a big city, and that's why Wanda was absent in school. Wanda's father in the letter write these points. So if question comes about the details about Wanda's father's letter, you can write this quotation. It will give you good marks. No, now we move to a big city. No more hula-bula. No more asking about funny names. Why? Because there were plenty of names in the big city. So Wanda's father directly and indirectly mentioned to Miss Mansion, mentioned to the school that look, no more funny name. Asking why funny name means look, my children were asked like this. So indirectly Wanda's father told the school that my children were abused in your school in this manner. That's why I was in problem and I left the city. I left the town. Okay. The whole class along with the teacher understood this message, that it was what was happening in the class, about this mental torture that Wanda was facing for having a different name, for being Polish. So the whole class was shocked to hear this, and when the whole content of the letter was written, the whole class was so much shocked that okay, Wanda was being abused. Okay, we have abused Wanda. Everyone inside the herd, they knew that what was done with Wanda, because we have seen in part 1 that how Peggy used to ask about how many dresses you have, how she used to ask this just because Wanda used to wear a faded blue dress, to criticize the poverty of Wanda that she was wearing one single dress every day. So Peggy used to harass Wanda by asking this sort of questions, and Wanda's poverty was shown off in certain moments like this. So Wanda's father wrote this letter, and the whole class was shocked to find out.